Education Society, redefining
Hello one and all. My name is Rutuja Shinde. I am from SYCO2. Subject name is Java Programming, and our title of the project is to implement and find and replace the functionality using Java. Then guide name is B. Mohite sir. Subject teacher name is Manoj Shinde sir. Group details: Vaishnavi Pancha, roll number 21. Manoj Chavan, roll number 22. Dipali Rai, roll number 23. Then outlines of our project: introduction, way to find and replace Java program, its conclusion and reference. Introduction: what is meant by Java? Java string replace method signature. String replace character, old character, new character. It replaces all the concurrents of an old character with new character. For example, Pog pants replace P into D will return dog dance. String replace first. String regex string replacement. It replaces the first subtracting that fits the specified with the replacement string. If the specified regular expression regex is not valid, string replaces all. It replaces all the substring that fits the given regular expression with the replacement string. Then ways to find and replacements. How will be? What are the ways to find and replace the string? To find and replace a specific string with another, you need to specify a search string that is going to be replaced according to the occurrence with another specified replacement. Both string must not contain symbol. It take into account that string comparison can be case sensitive, or you may be unsure of spelling or have the several meaning spellings. Then P regular expression, to specify a regular expression to find the exact string matches and replace them according to your regular expression. Note that a word is defined as being made up of only alphanumeric character. If a replacement is executed with only whole words being matched and the input string happens to contain symbol, then the phrases will be found. Then methods of Java string replace. This method returns a new string resulting from the replacing all occurrence of old character in the string with a new character. String replace all. This method replaces each substring of the string that matches the given regular expressions with the given replacer. String replace, its syntax: public string replace bracket char old ch comma char new ch. Parameter: old ch the old character, new ch the new character. Then its program. We have given the program. We have done the program of the replace for by writing first of all public class, then main method public static void main string args passing the arguments. Then string s1 is equals to, we have written my name is Ria and my favorite subject is Java. String replace string is equals to s1. Replace is was means we have to replace is and was means each to was system out, then system out println replace string. Then the output is my name was Ria, my favorite subject was Java, means is replaced, means here is replaced by the was in this program. Then second, string replace all. Its syntax is public string replace all, string rejects, string replace str, parameters rejects the regular expressions to which the string is to be matched, replace str, the string which will replace found expression, return value. This method returns the resulting string. Its program means public class repetition 2. We have done this program. Then by putting main method public static void main string rgs, string str is equals to new string welcome to Zeal Polytechnic. Then we have, after replacing all O with T, means it where O is spelled there, that will be replacing with the T. And after that by program has come here. Then conclusion, We have successfully understand the concept of implementing, finding, and replacing functionality using Java by doing this project. Then we have referenced with internet source guide and reference book. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.